Here we have 7 over 13 add 6 over 13. Same denominator, so all we need to do is add the numerators. 7 and 6 is 13, and 13 thirteenths is 1. Different denominators here. For 7 and 5, the best common denominator we can give is the lowest common multiple of the two numbers, which is 35. We had to multiply the 7 by 5, so we do the same to this 1. We had to multiply the 5 by 7 to get 35, so do the same to the 2. It becomes 14, and then that's 19 over 35, and we can't cancel that down at all. 2 and 6 sevenths take away 4 thirds. Make this one into an improper fraction. 7 twos are 14. Add 6 is 20, so that's 20 over 7. Take away 4 thirds. Common denominator of 21. 7 was multiplied by 3, so this is going to become 60. 3 multiplied by 7, so this one will become 28. So that's 32, 60 take away 28, over 21, which is 1, and that would leave us a remainder of 11 to go over the 21. Here we have 3/5 times 5/12. We can do some cancelling first. 3 goes in here once and goes in here 4 times. 5 goes into 5 once and into 5 once. So we've got 1 times 1, which is 1, over 1 times 4, which is 4, so a quarter. If we'd done it without the cancelling first, we'd have ended up with 3 times 5, which is 15, over 5 times 12, which is 60, and then you'd have needed to cancel this down from here to a quarter. You don't need to do it in one step, but it does need to be cancelled down because you have common factors here. E is 3/8 divided by 4, so that's 3/8 divided by 4 over 1. Remember, you can always do this with a whole number. So that's 3 over 8 times 1 over 4. Remember, invert the second fraction and change the divide to a multiply. And there's no cancelling goes on here at all. So we've just got 3 times 1, which is 3, over 8 times 4, which is 32. So that's 3 over 32. Finally, I'm going to do part F up here because it takes a fair bit of working. So we have 3/4 plus 1/2 times 1/3, take away 7/12. Now, this is a BIMDAS problem. The brackets have to be done first, and inside the brackets we have an add and a multiply. So the multiply gets done first. So 3/4 hasn't been touched yet. 1/2 times 1/3, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6, and we're going to take away 7/12 at the end. And now we need a common denominator for these two. 4 and 6 both go into 12, so we could use that. 4 has been multiplied by 3, do the same to this 3 on top. 6 has been multiplied by 2, so the 1 gets multiplied by 2. So that's 9 and 2 is 11 over 12. Note we have the same denominator here. And same denominator again. So that's going to be 4 over 12. And that cancels down because 4 over 12 is 4 times 1 over 4 times 3. Cancel the 4's off. So that's 1/3.